Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. My name is Ibrahim Zidan Al-Sadam from Program Studi Pendidikan Jasmani Sekolah Dasar. Football. Football is game played by two different teams with the competition of 11 players on the field, where each team seeks to win and score goal against the opponent goal. The game of football involves the movement of physical, mental, growth, and five motoric elements, and is put with solid team strength. The movement of all these elements is carried out to keep the ball movement dynamic and across the goal line. Football. Number 1. History of football. Number 2. Football rules. Number 3. The size of the football field. Number 1. History of football. Popular football in the 12th century, where in this century football was played on the mid of the street of England. Over time, football club emerged, but the presence of the football club, which in birth to have existed since the 15th century, was well organized and without official status. The first match in 1867, which took place outside Europe as in Argentina, precisely on May 21, 1904, the Federation International Football Association FIFA was founded, which was signed by 7th century, namely France, Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. The growing population of the sport of football was boosted by inclusion as an official sport in the Olympic in 1908. As well, the World Cup, which was first held in 1930, Fulton for strengthened the sport, which was very popular in the international area. Until then, is 1996, women football was added for the first time. Number 2. Football rules. As one of the old sports in the world, is also the most in demand to watch. Today, the game is played worldwide by millions people with billions supporters. No wonder football is present in various game concepts, such as the World Cup. In addition, there are Euro Championship, Copa America, and African Cup tournament. Behind in the strong Liga in England, Premier League in Spain, La Liga, Italy, Serie A, and Germany Bundesliga. In Indonesia, Liga 1 as the strongest liga, In their rules, there are 17 articles that apply to match where the rules relating to number of players a team must have, the duration of the match, the size of the field and the ball, the type and nature of violation that can be triggered by the referee and many other rules relating to the principle of football during the match. It is the referee's job to interpret and enforce the principle in play. But in general, in football match, the goal, the score, and many goals are possible that your opponents. Rules regarding the legal goals there, the first rule that need to be considered in is to win a match the ball must enter the opponent goals. Rules regarding playing time, the general rules to note is that them that applies during the match in 90 minutes as long the match will be divided into halves. The first 45 minutes will take 15 minutes. Continue the second 40 minutes. Rules regarding number of players. The next rules is the number of players. Each team of 11 players concept of the 10 player and one goalkeeper. Each team and profits of up to the substage. Reverse rookie and cards. Each match must include on reference and to assist reference. The reference job is the as keeper of there and make many discussion that many need to be met, such as full free kick, tour in penalty and athletic on time and the end of each high half. Number 3. The size of the football field. The soccer field is the surface of the terrain for soccer match. Generally, soccer fields are in the form of natural grass or sided grass. The height of grass on a soccer field about 25-30 millimeter. Keeping football history, the official football size in by FIFA. The soccer field rectangular. Inside the soccer field there is a six in the form a middle circle, goal box, and two long line. From a commonly used soccer field are 105 68 millimeter or 7,140 square meter. There are two standard football field size. Normally, the size of the football field for national and international standard match and the size of the ball used in outdoor sport matches or this aged 12 years and over as a circum of 68 to 70 centimeter. That's all from me. If there is a word wrong and if there is a deficiency, please forgive me. Thank you.